Hi to all. Okay, from today from today onwards, I am discussing about geography and aptitude. That is arithmetic. Okay, these two are these two are very useful for the coming any competitive exams. Okay, there are there are some new notifications are coming in Andhra Pradesh, in Telangana also. Some are like constable and SI, and also this will be useful for even SSC, CGL, CHSL, and also SSC, CPO, and also for even for banking also. These aptitude is useful, and also the geography is very useful for the many exams. Here I will cover some static geography. These are essential for any competitive exam. So today I will give lecture on geography. Okay, please subscribe my channel for the geography. Not only geography, in future I will discuss science, polity, and economy. All these subjects, all these are for all these subjects, my reference is just NCRT. NCRT and some other lectures are there, some prominent lectures are there. From them, I have taken some notes. Okay, from that notes we will discuss. Okay, for aptitude also, for in Andhra Pradesh, SI notification is coming. For that, aptitude is very important. Aptitude is very important. Arithmetic. For that, I will cover all questions, all important models and questions, and finally I will cover all RS Agarwal questions. Finally, first I will cover important models that are coming in SSC, CGL, banking, in other competitive exams. I will cover models. After that, I will discuss RS Agarwal questions. Each topic wise. Okay. Many are preparing in Telugu also. For aptitude, I will discuss in Telugu, but questions are in English. Even though questions are in English, I will explain in Telugu. Telugu also for aptitude. But for general studies, I will discuss in English only. Okay. All the nowadays, many engineering people are preparing for SI jobs also. So these are very useful for the English medium students. Even aptitude is useful for the Telugu medium student. So please subscribe my channel. This is very useful. Why? Because I have been in competitive field more than 5 years. More than 5 years. So I have read many books and also that are written by many authors, many prominent lecturers, professors. So I am giving concise matter that is relevant to some SI posts easier like that. I can't promise for UPSC like that, but I will explain the the chapters. This will be helpful for this kind of jobs like SI, CGL, constable, even for group 1, group 2 also. Okay. So please listen all these classes. These are very much useful for competitive exams like SI. So now I am concentrating particularly on SI because SI and constable because no notification is coming. Okay, but these are useful for CGL also. Very much useful. So my planning is first I will start geography and next aptitude. Geography and aptitude. These two every day by day, geography one class, aptitude one class will be uploaded. Okay. In geography also, in geography also, I will explain economic geography, economic geography first. Economic geography. Okay, means like some crops, soils, drainage system, okay, climatic system, how these are important for economic productivity of India. Okay, I will discuss these. Why? Because these are very important. Some irrigation projects. Okay, like that I will discuss. Uh, In aptitude also, I will discuss one by one all chapters. Today, geography, my first chapter is soil. My first chapter is soil. After soil, I will discuss what is soil, types, soil profile, soil profile. Okay. After that, types of tiles, types of soil. There are 8 types. We'll discuss all and also distribution of soil means in which location these 8 types of soils are located and the crops which were grown in the soils and also condition of that crops and also the fertility of that soils, which minerals are present, which minerals are not present in that soil. That all we will discuss. Okay, right. See here, soil is what? What is soil? First, what is soil? Soil is a topmost top layer of the earth crust. Earth crust, topmost layer of the earth crust is called as a soil. Okay, right. Soil is the thin layer on the earth crust, comprising of rock particles mixed with organic matter. Okay. What is soil? Soil is nothing but the uppermost layer. Next, study of soil is called pedology. What is pedology? Study of soil. Okay. In generally, soil is a 3 types. In general, soil means what soil consists of? Shandy soil. Shandy. Shandy. Here, large proportion of particles are big in size, large proportion. Okay, this is called sandy soil, large proportion. Okay, if suppose large proportion of fine particles are there, it is called clay soil. Okay, suppose equal proportion of large and small, it is called loamy soil. Okay, is it clear? Okay, soil, how many? Three: sandy, clay, and loamy. These are sandy means very big particles. Clay means very fine particle. Clay means equal proportion. Here, here big particles are there. So what happened? There is a chance of escaping of water. Okay, so mostly these kind of soils are dry in nature. Means water was percolated to down layers or others. Okay, there is no water content in the soil because big gaps are there between these particles. So water will be lost. So water retentivity is water storage is less in sandy soil. In same manner, clay. In clay soil, very fine particles are there. So gap is very less. In those gaps, water will be absorbed, it will be stored. They will not escape easily. So water retentivity, water storage is more in clay. Okay, loamy. Loamy is both. Okay, little bit water storage is available. Okay, so clay and loamy soils. See here. Suppose clay soils are there, loamy soils are there. Here, little bit of water we can store. So we can produce some crops like wheat, gram. Okay, why? Because retentivity of water is possible. But here in sand soils, that is not possible. Okay, suppose for paddy rice, soils are rich in clay and organic matter. Clay, suppose clay. In clay soils, we can produce paddy. Why? Because we need more water and also water retentivity is there. So clay soil. Okay. Next, for cotton like that, little bit of water required. So loamy soils. Okay. After that, we will see the soil profile. Okay. Soil profile. What is soil profile? What is soil profile? Soil profile is nothing but earth is there. If we cut the earth like this, some layers, some origins will come. That is different layers. This is one layer, one layer, one layer, one layer. See here, one layer, one layer, one layer, one layer. Okay. Like this, layers will come. Okay, this is called soil profile. First, see here, each layer different. See here, why we are going to divide, but here each layer has different from other. Okay, if suppose this layer is similar to this, no need of classification. But here each layer is different from other, so classification is required. How these are classified? By observing color, texture, depth, chemical composition. Okay. By using these, we have divided. We have classified. Means chemical composition. In which layer, which minerals, which uh, organic matter is present or not. Like that. See here, suppose our first layer is what? O. O means organic matter. Organic matter. First layer is organic matter. Why? All decomposing matter, humus, that will here only. Okay. So this is organic matter. So it is organic layer. So okay. Most most of the times this is decomposed matter. In sometimes undecomposed matter also available in nature. Okay. Next O means what? Organic. Next A A layer. A horizon. A layer or A horizon. A horizon means topsoil. This is called topsoil. Okay. Here organic soil A, soil B, soil C, like this. Okay. In soil A, topsoil. Here organic matter plus mineral water mixed in this topsoil. Okay. Okay. But here some some compounds, some aluminum, iron, these compounds are percolated into B layer. Okay, some compounds, aluminum, okay, iron, clay, some organic compounds, and some other soluble contents also percolated into B layer. Okay, means what? What is the meaning? In topsoil, some minerals are depleted. Okay, that is called elevated region. In between A and B, some E layer is there. That is called elevated layer. Elevated layer horizon means what? Depleted of some compounds in topsoil is called elevation. Okay, that are depleted and come into B layer. This is called elevated. Elevated means depletion of compounds from uh, top layer. Next also accumulation in B layer is called elevation. Elevation. This is E, this is elevation. Okay, this is called elevation. So finally what we can conclude? A layer is what? Organic and mineral, and also some parts, some compounds are leached away. That is called elevation. That are found in B layer. That is called elevation. Next, next B soil. Okay, B is a subsoil. A is a topsoil. B is a subsoil. In the question, there is a chance of asking this question. E elevated horizon in between A and B. E means what? Elevated. What is the elevated horizon? Means depletion of compounds from topsoil is called elevation. Next, elevation. What is elevation? Means deposition of elevated compounds from topsoil on subsoil is called elevation. Okay. B. Here B layer. This is subsoil. Here already I have told you in topsoil some compounds are elevated that are accumulated here. That is enough for B subsoil. Next C. C. This is called parent rock. Means here Big rocks are cut it down into small rocks. Some rocks are there like this. Some parent material is there. Okay. Next, after that, bedrock. R is the bedrock. This is the soil profile. Okay. See here, subsoil and C is a bedrock. Partial breakdown of inorganic material. That is called C horizon. Okay. This is completed. Okay. Right. Next, we will see the soil distribution. Indian Council of Agricultural Research. As per this, Indian soils are divided into 8 types. Okay, we will recall all these 8 types of soils. I will discuss each by each, one by one. After that, I will tell the distribution of soils. Okay, right. See here, distribution of soils. I will discuss here major soils. Okay, in India. See here, alluvial soils. Alluvial soils. These are 46% of Indian geographic area covered by these soils, and also these are feeding 40% of the people. So these are very important. Where are these soils? See here, these soils on this part of soils is called alluvial soils. Alluvial. These are called deltaic alluvial soils. These are formed due to the deltas, Godavari, Krishna, okay, basins, and also Kaveri basins, okay, Brahmaputra basins like this. But here, because of the silt formed by the Himalayan rivers, these alluvial soils are formed. Okay, these are alluvial soils. Next what? Black soils. See here. This is black soils. How this form? Because of due to volcanic activity. Okay, lava came out of the earth crust, and after solidification, okay, these kind of rocks, these kind of soils were formed volcanic due to volcanic activity. Black soils. Next, after solid red and yellow soils, black soils, red and yellow. These are red and yellow soils. Okay, majorly these soils will be covered the entire region of Tamil Nadu, mostly Tamil Nadu region. Even Andhra also, Orissa also, red and yellow soils. Next also laterite soils. What are the laterite soils? Laterite soils. Later means brick. Okay, laterite soils. Where these soils were located. See here, if more rains and high temperature, that regions laterite soils were see here, sorry, more rains only. See here, Western Ghats. Here, more rains are there. In Eastern Ghats also, some parts. More rains are there. Okay. In these parts, laterite soils were formed. Okay. Leaching. Leaching of laterite soils means what? Leaching of minerals. Washing away of minerals. Okay, these are laterite soils. After laterite soils, arid soils are there. These are these parts. Rajasthan region like that. Arid. These are the distribution of the soils. These are the main soils. Okay. First category I will discuss now. First category. First classification. Alluvial soils. Okay. Alluvial soils. Alluvial soils are majorly formed by the silt that was taken by the rivers, Himalayan rivers. Okay, at the foothills of the Himalayas, rivers will flow like this and silt will form here at the foothills of the Himalayas. So, most of the alluvial soils are formed by the silt that was formed by the Himalayan rivers, and also eastern side some river basins are there. Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Brahmaputra. These rivers also form the silt. Because of that, alluvial soils were formed. Okay. In India, 46% of area that is covered by the alluvial soils. Okay. These are feeding 40% of the population. In the soils, nitrogen is very less. Okay. Nitrogen is less. And also rich in potash, phosphoric acid, and alkalis. Okay. Right. Next, distribution. Already have explained you the distribution. Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra plains. Okay. Deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Okay. Next, in these regions, rice, wheat, sugarcane, tobacco, cotton, jute, maize, oilseed, vegetables, fruits, we can grow. Next, Babar. After that, Babar. I will see. I will tell. Babar is a type of alluvial. What is Babar? Suppose these are Himalayas. Okay, at the foothills of these Himalayas, soil will be formed like this. Pebbles, granules. Okay, pebbles, rocky pebbles. Some pebbles will be formed like this. These were the weathering of this Himalayan rock and also polymer. These also taken by the rivers. Okay, see, whenever river came into this region, this water is there, na river was disappears. Why? Because very large gaps are there, so disappears. After traveling some distance, this was reappear here. So it is marshy. Okay, wet region. So it is dry. Total water was percolated. No water is here. So dry. This region is called what? Babar. This region called Terai. Okay, this is Babar. This is Terai. Here no plants. Here plants are possible. See here, Babar, Terai. Babar is what? At the foothills of the Himalayas. See here, the streams disappear once they reach the Babar region because of this porosity. Porosity means larger gaps are there. water was percolated. Therefore, the area is marked by dry river courses. Dry river courses. Okay, rivers were dried out here, and also these were reappear the terai region. Okay, so this terai region is what? Swampy. Swampy means what in Telugu? Chittadi, very lowland. This terrain is rich in nitrogen because some plants are there, so rich in nitrogen, organic matter, but deficient in phosphate. Okay, low phosphate. Next also bungar. What is bungar and copper? Bungar is what some rivers are flowing. Suppose see here, river is flowing here. This region is called Kadar. Then what? Just a river bank. Just beside the river is called Kadar. Above this region is called Bangar. Okay, means during floods, this river will flow into the other region like this. This is river banks. These are in higher region. That is called Bangar. See here, Bangar is the old alluvium along with river beds forming terraces higher than the flood plain. Flood plain is what? Kadar. Okay. Okay, see here, Bangar, more clay composition and generally dark in color. Okay, this is also called Kankar. Okay, pebbles. Next also, that is Kadar. Kadar is nothing but new layer of alluvium. Bangar is old. Okay. Why it is new? Because frequent floods are happening now. That's why the soil was replenished and new soil was formed. So a new layer of alluvium is called Kadar. Old layer of alluvium is called Bangar. Okay, it is completed. Okay. Next, black soils. Already I have explained you black soils, how these were formed. Due to volcanic activity, okay, these soils were formed. During volcanic activity, lava is came out. This was solidification was takes place at the earth crust. Like this soil was formed in Deccan Plateau. Percentage is 16.6% of the geographical area. Here, high temperatures are there, low rainfall is there, very low rainfall. Okay, next, what is the chemical composition? Aluminium, iron oxides, lime, and magnesium carbonates are available, but less in phosphates and nitrogen and humus. Okay, there is no phosphates and nitrogen. Remember, most of the soils deficient of nitrogen in Indian soil. Okay, here aluminum, iron oxide, lime, and magnesium carbonates are available. Okay, these soils are also called as a black cotton soils. Why? Because here cotton was grown predominantly. And also these are called eager soils. Next here, what are the crops we can grow here? Wheat, jowar, lime, seed, virginilla, tobacco, castor, sunflower, millets. Okay, here each question you can expect means what are the regular soils? Black soils. Okay, that are regular soils. And also here nitrogen is deficient. That is also important. Phosphate and nitrogen is deficient. Why? Because for that only we are using nitrogen ureas. Next also red soils. What are the red soils? How these were formed? Red soils are mainly formed by the weathering of crystalline and metamorphic rocks. Okay, these also pour in the nitrogen and phosphate. Sorry, pour in the phosphorus and also rich in phosphate and potassium. Here, color of the red soils is red because of the iron oxide, presence of iron oxide. Because of iron oxide, these are red in color. Here, already I have explained you. In Tamil Nadu, major part of the soils are red soils. Okay, this was completed. Next, laterite soils. What are the laterite soils? Here, due to heavy rains, some nutrients are there that are washed away by the water of the soil, whereby lime and silica are leached away and the soil is rich in oxides of iron and aluminum compounds left behind. Because of the heavy rainfall, these minerals are washed away. Okay, the left minerals are what? Iron, oxides of iron and aluminum. Aluminum and iron oxides are remain. Okay, this is important. Rich in bauxite. These minerals are rich in bauxite. Okay, already I have explained you. Laterite means what? High rainfall and also leaching and also what? In generally Western Ghats, more rains are there. So in Western Ghats areas and also here we will plant tea, coffee like that of crops. These in the laterite soils are used. We can make bricks. Okay. After that, forest and mountain sites. The area coverage is 8.67%. These forest soils are deficient in lime, potash, and phosphorus, but rich in humus. In general, forest mountains are rich in humus, but deficient in lime, potash, and phosphorus. Okay. Next, arid and desert soils. Already I have shown in the graph arid and desert soils that are present in the regions of Rajasthan. The percentage coverage of these soils are 4.32 percentage. These are generally very poor in organic matter. Okay. Next, saline and alkaline soils. Saline and alkaline soils. See here, injurious salts are transported from below by the capillary action as the result of above. Here, saline and alkaline in some soils, in some regions, evaporation and precipitation. Evaporation is more than the precipitation. Okay, means more water is went out instead of, but less water is, less rains are there. More evaporation is there. Okay, so this is called more evaporation than more precipitation. Precipitation is nothing but raining. Okay, here, so because of very low rains, the lower part of the water is came to upside by what? Capillary action. Capillary action means what? Surface tension. Due to surface tension means water bubbles are always try to acquire the less surface area. So by the action of capillary means the water from the ground came to the upper layer. That is called capillary action. Okay, because of that, in lower part salt is there, na? That was accumulated at the top side. Okay, this is very injurious. Next after that, peaty and mossy soils. Here, large amount of organic matter is present, peaty and mossy. Okay, these are mainly Sundarbans of West Bengal. Next, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, coastal regions. Deficient in potash and phosphate. Okay, like this we have completed all. Okay, right. These are the soils. In this class we have explained what I have explained. What is soil? Okay, soil. What is soil? Soil is nothing but earthy crust. After that, what is there? Soil profile. Okay, different horizons. What is O, A, B, C, R? R is bedrock and E is elevated horizon. And also after that, I have explained the distribution of the soils. Okay, major soils of India are alluvial soils. These are 46%. After that, black and then after that, red. Okay, these are forest region. This green region is called forest region. This is called arid region. After that, this is called the western side. This is called laterite. Laterite soils are for what? Bricks. These are important. Okay, alluvial is what? Deposition by the silt by the rivers. Next, laterite means leaching, and also black means rigor, and also deficient of nitrogen, and also rigor. Important point is there for black soils, that is self-flying activity, means during summer that will shrink. Okay, during rainy season that will absorb the more water, that will remain for longer duration. Okay, self-flying activity means by itself it was flawed. Okay, important, that is self-flying activity for the black soils. Next, red soils are there. Red soils mostly in Telangana region, because these soils are red in color because of iron oxide. Okay, okay, like this we have completed. What are the Bangar, what are the Babar, what is the color? Okay, that also we have discussed, right?